Not even at the sun's swim spot yet, but I'm at the sun spot. It's so beautiful this morning. I just wanted to catch the color of the sun. It's already emerged, but it's an absolutely gorgeous golden color. I'll just take a little tour down the beach. Get a better view of the sun. We're just going to say good morning to a different beach today. And good morning to a different pod of sea lions. Probably not, but it's a little bit of a art in the garden feature. Well, if the sea lions are in this bay this morning, then maybe they won't be in my bay. Yep, she's a beauty. There's that golden sun with the golden roof and the golden pillar. Good morning to the beach, our neighbor beach, and good morning to the sun.